Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods, and in this video I have a review for you. I have full access to the affiliate directive. We're going to go check out the inside of the software. I've already taken the entire course, and so I can actually speak from it from a student standpoint and tell you if this is a good course for you or not. But before we get into the review, I want to remind you that there's just a couple more days left until January 1st to pick up my new course at 50% discount. How to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. It is selling for $59 everyday price. We already have our first 5-star review coming in, and it's just a straight to the point, 1 hour course, 7 over-the-shoulder videos, teaching you how to create YouTube videos and build YouTube channels very quickly using only AI software. And that's from script writing to voiceovers to video production. So go pick this up for a 50% discount. The discount code will be below. So let's jump into today's training or today's review. Now, I will just tell you that if you do want to pick this up, you can once you click away from the site, there is an actual discount code offered over here at $5 off. So just wanted to point that out, you guys. If you wanted to pick it up for $5 off, then it's a complete no-brainer to pick this product up. So here we go. The affiliate directive. This is from Trevor Carr. He's been in the affiliate marketing industry, very heavy on Warrior Plus for a few years now, and he has had a lot of success. He's made over $700,000 on the platform, which is pretty dang good. So he does know what he's talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing and making money on this platform. Now, he is kind of in that crew, that bunch of Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mace, but I do kind of separate him and carve him out a little bit differently than I do view those other gentlemen, because Trevor Carr's product that he's actually, when you jump in, he's actually genuinely teaching you what he knows and how to have success. So when we look over here and we look at this, revealed the simple secret system that made me $12,000 in 1 week. So he shows you the back end of his account and how he's making money in this course. Now, if you look at this, discover the real reasons you've not made money, exclusively written and created by Trevor Carr. Everything that Trevor Carr knows that works fast to get fast cash online. Easy, simple solutions to make real money online, created by former shiny object chaser, never before revealed secrets, super affiliate, step-by-step training, complete newbie, and guaranteed scam and bull crap free content. So there isn't anything in here that he's telling you that he's going to make you $30,000 by pushing a button. So this is refreshing. This is true. Everything right here, I can tell you, I took the entire course, and there is, you have to take this with a grain of salt. This is a sales page, right? But is this his real account? Yes. Is he, blowing smoke? No, he's not, because this is actually his account. And, you have to jump in, and we're going to jump into the training. I'll show you exactly what he teaches, but so far it checks out. He's not promising the world or that you're going to make $1 million overnight like most of the other products that are coming out do. So what we are going to do is we're going to go jump into the training. Here's the premium training right over here. But before we do that, of course, I want to tell you that if you do decide to pick this up, I mean, literally, if you use the $5 discount, you're going to get this for like $7. It's just a complete no-brainer. For those of you that are not making money online, this is a great course to end the year and start the new year in 2022 to learn exactly what to do with affiliate marketing, what Trevor Carr is doing to make thousands of dollars a month. And he makes a lot of money as a vendor, of course. But in this case, he really does carve out just the affiliate commissions that he's making. And he makes something like $12,000 in 1 week in affiliate commissions. So this is not one of those products where he's showing you his account, but 90% of what he's showing you is just is from vendor sales. It's not like that. These are all affiliate sales that he's making. And so it's a really robust robust course. We're going to get into that in a second, but before we do that, go pick it up, and you can come click the first link below, go to my bonus page. If you do decide to pick up the affiliate directive via my link below, then you will get all of these amazing bonuses. You will get access to small YouTube, big profits. You can actually read through here, but essentially it's how I made $13,000 from a YouTube before even being monetized, right? It's a 3-hour premium course. So, you know, everyone else is paying for it, but you will get exclusive access to this, okay? For picking this up. So that's just like a gimme, a no-brainer premium course. Now, you also will get this right here, a secret YouTube ranking method, how I can rank almost any video I want, #1. So check that out. It's over-the-shoulder training from me that's only exclusive as a bonus. I've never given this away or sold this product as a standalone product. It's only an exclusive bonus for picking the product up via my link. Again, you will get YouTube video keyword research secrets, how you can do advanced YouTube video keyword research. This is a video training as well, exclusive bonus. Come through here, YouTube title creation tips as well. Then we come through here, I added in even more bonuses for you. Bonus number 5 is an income boost. This has never been shared as a bonus before. Income boost blueprint, make money with YouTube. It's a 6-page, really, really awesome report with amazing tips to make money on YouTube. And then bonus number 6 is exclusive. And you're going to get how to do faceless video creation for courses right here as well. And that's a full-blown course, only exclusive bonus, never sold this before as a standalone product. So those are the bonuses that you definitely want to pick up to get today. So let's jump into the course real quick. Here we are now. There are OTOs. I'm not going to really focus a lot of time on the OTOs. The regular OTO, the front end offer training is hours of content, and it's going to take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to do to get started, right? So I will say that, you know, once you get past the home or the start here section, really it's the home, he is going to pitch you his breakthrough premium course. It's for like $400 something. It's going up to like $700 on January 1st. So he does kind of push this a little hard in the front. So you can go ahead and ignore that. Obviously, if you don't have the budget, if you want to 10x your results and get to 10K per month, then that would be something to consider. But it's not necessary at all, right? So you just kind of need to get through this. Don't buy anything and then go to the start here. You have the introduction, affiliate marketing explained. So this is really cool because for those of you that are still confused about how affiliate marketing works or how to get started, right? This is like a mini course in itself. It's going to tell you affiliate marketing explained, proof this works, overcoming the hurdles of like not having a high score in Warrior Plus. I have like a 65 or 70 affiliate score. So I get pretty much approved for almost any offer I want to promote, almost instantly. About 90% of the requests that I put in to be an affiliate for a product, I get automatically approved because my affiliate score is so high, right? I've made over 1,000 sales, individual sales on the platform. But those of you that are starting out might have a hurdle to overcome, and he teaches you what you need to do in order to overcome that hurdle so you can get approved for the product and start earning commissions, right? And then your traffic options, okay? Now we get into platforms. He goes into Warrior Plus, and this is the major focus of the course because that's where he's made almost $1 million on Warrior Plus. You have JVZoo and ClickBank as well. And I agree with him. Warrior Plus is just an easier platform to manage and get around. I like how fast you get the commissions into your account, and then you can just pay yourself, and then they pay you like almost like within 24 hours. The money ends up in your PayPal or your bank. With JVZoo, it's like a once a month thing where they pay you, and it's through a third party platform and everything. So it's just a little bit harder to get paid from these other platforms as far as just timing wise, right? Warrior Plus is just you can count on the commissions coming in, and they pay you right away. So it's really, really cool. I also agree. I really like Warrior Plus if you're going to be an affiliate. So then it gets into the really, really good stuff. Okay. So then now you're over here into the core training introduction. I'm going to click on that. You have all this great stuff. And I have the introduction, and then you go into the next training modules. The preparation, you need a YouTube channel, a Google account, equipment, Canva, to do graphics, autoresponder, Facebook, all kinds of good stuff, right? And then he's going to talk about audiences, how you're going to build your first list, your audiences, and then it just keeps going and going. And then your first steps: choose the products to promote, schedule your promotions. And then if you don't get review access, what to do, right? What other options can you do if you don't have, if you can't get the review access? And I'm just going to give you a tip right now. If you can't get review access, buy the product. Usually most of these front end products are between $5 and $15, and buy the product and do a proper review. And if it's a good product, like today's product is a really good product, then you're going to get, your audience is going to appreciate that you actually have the product in your hands and can show them the inside of the product. And you can actually give them an honest opinion of what you thought of the product, instead of just going out and trying to make review videos without having the product. You're just going to get better results. More people are going to buy from you because you actually presented the product to you. So I'm just going to give you that as a tip from being a full-time affiliate marketer myself. Now I'm going to come through here. We went to first steps. Then here is the golden nuggets of the course. He's going to teach you how to do your reviews, right? The review recipe and so forth, on how to do a review video, providing bonuses. So right here, the review recipe, you have all this good stuff over here. And then when we come over here to providing bonuses, check this out. I mean, this could be worth the, $7 or $12 you're paying for the course. This is a 1 hour long webinar about how to create bonuses and do your bonus structure correctly. So this is a 1 hour course in itself right there. Okay. So you have all that, and then you have the conclusions and the next, and a refresh, your homework, and then how to scale up to 10K per month. And then you have bonus training. And this is Headway. You get, all three Headway, and this is a full course in itself. So overall, my thoughts, you can see all these are check marked. I went through the entire course this morning, and I watched it on like 1.75, almost 2 speed, because I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I do know all this stuff. But there's still some golden nuggets in there that even somebody that does this full time and is pretty successful doing it, I learned some stuff from him as well. And I always learn stuff from Trevor Carr. So absolutely, I endorse this. I really do. This is a great, it's lined out. It's on a good platform. Logging in was really easy. It's lined out for you very professionally. So you can tell he put on a lot of time. He didn't just throw this together. And he gives you all of the information that you would need to get started as an affiliate and to block out all the noise and all the other stuff. If you just focused on this right here, the affiliate directive, and started working on this as an affiliate marketer for Warrior Plus, you can start making a side income, and then it starts scaling. Once you learn more about this business, it can start scaling for you. And then you can start having those $1,000 months, $2,000 months, $5,000 months, and start building an audience and putting together professional reviews. Okay. So this is a great product. This isn't one of those, you might find some other, I don't know if there's going to be some of those people that put up the, 2 out of 10 reviews. This would not be one of those products. This is definitely a top gold product for the price you're getting. You're getting a full-fledged affiliate marketing masterclass inside of the affiliate directive. So, and he just tells you exactly what to do next. So that's what I like. It's a step 1, step 2, step 3, and then and there's a bunch of videos and training inside of there. But if you get through this, you're going to have a very good, understanding of what it takes to make money with affiliate marketing and Warrior Plus. So that's my review for the affiliate directive. Obviously, I can't show you the videos or anything like that, but it checks out. A really, really good program. I would go get this. So if you want to go get this, click the link below. I'll leave 2 links. One will go over here if you want to check out the bonuses, right? If you want to check out all these bonuses I'm giving you, they're all they all have to do with affiliate marketing and YouTube, right? Having major success on YouTube. Then go get these bonuses. The second link will be a direct link. It'll be an affiliate link that will take you directly over to the product. You'll get all these bonuses, but you won't have to go to this page. You'll just literally just go straight to the sales page to pick it up. So I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because I put out tutorials on how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money on YouTube. And then I also do product reviews like this. So until next time, take care.